Hey there, welcome to this video on prepositions. Today, we will be discussing what prepositions are, how they are used, and providing some examples to help you better understand these important parts of speech. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They are used to indicate direction, location, time, or to introduce an object of a verb or prepositional phrase. Let's look at some examples of prepositions in action. The book is on the table. In this sentence, the preposition on indicates the location of the book. She walked towards the door. In this sentence, the preposition towards indicates the direction of her movement. I will see you at 3 p.m. In this sentence, the preposition at indicates the time of the meeting. Let's go on to the types of prepositions. Prepositions can be divided into three main categories. Simple prepositions, such as in, on, at, to, with, by, from, for, of, and about. Compound prepositions, such as in front of, on top of, next to, out of, and according to. Phrasal prepositions, such as in spite of, in addition to, on behalf of, and with regard to. Prepositions can be tricky, and many people make common mistakes with their usage. Common mistakes with prepositions. Don't say, I am agree with you. Instead of it, say, I agree with you. Don't say, he is dependent from his parents. Otherwise, say, he is dependent on his parents. Don't say, I will meet you on the next week. Say, I will meet you next week. Remember that. Prepositions are a vital part of the English language, and they help us to communicate our ideas effectively. By understanding the different types of prepositions, their usage, and avoiding common mistakes, you can become a more proficient English speaker and writer. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.